If for some reason you have not received credit for an offer that you have created, I want to show you how you can submit a missing credit request. It's a pretty simple process, and it typically takes up to 24 to 48 hours to get your credit if it didn't go through for some reason. All right, so what you want to do is come here to um, your starter.instarewards.net. Make sure you log in. When you log in, you should see your name, your right here. You may not have a green bar if your credit did not go through, but what you want to do is come up here to the navigation bar and you want to click on the support tab. Okay, once that page loads up, you notice that you have a bar in the middle of your screen that says if you want to request credit for an offer you completed, click here to submit a missing credit request. So go ahead and click here. Alright, it'll bring you to this page here. Okay, on this page, what you're going to put here is first, of course, you're going to choose the offer that you completed. Let's just choose Gamefly for this example. Then you want to choose the date that you completed the offer on, and here in this section where it says confirmation email, we're actually going to get the full header. This link right here is going to show us how to get the full header. It's the HTML code for the offer. So click on that bar, and when you come over here, let's just use Gmail for this example because I have my Gmail account open. So go ahead and click here, and it gives you instructions on how to do it. You go to your email account, you open up the message, and then just to the right of the reply button, you're going to see a drop down and it says show original. So let's go ahead over there. I'm going to go to my account, and I'm going to use here this Gamefly. I have this Gamefly email open, and just over here, this is the reply button, and you have the little drop down to show more. Once that drops down, alright, you're going to see down here where it says show original. Go ahead and click that, and it's going to open up a new tab. Let's see if you can see this here. Alright, in this new tab here, you should be able to see that. What you want to do is either on your keyboard, hold down the control key and press the letter A, and it'll highlight everything, and then you can simply right click on your mouse or your touchpad and click copy. Okay, if for some reason the control A doesn't work, then just go ahead, come up to the top left before the first word, click your left mouse and then drag it all the way down. Okay, the email is pretty long in the code, so I'm not going to go through with all of that, but just bring it all the way down until you reach the end of the letter of the code, and then you right click and you copy it that way. Alright, now let's go back over here to the credit request page. Okay, and then you want to paste. You want to just click here where it says confirmation email in this field, right click on your mouse, paste that code in there. Okay, and then for other details, Gmail tends to work pretty good when putting your credit through. Sometimes Yahoo or some other email clients may not um, have all of the information. So what you want to do, just to make sure, come to the original email and just come up to the top of the email, top left. You want to left click your mouse and just drag your cursor all the way down the email. Okay, once you've highlighted everything, okay, then you want to right click and click copy. Then you want to come back over to your starter.instant rewards page on the credit request, and other details, go ahead and right click and paste that information. Alright, this will make sure that your offer gets credited as soon as possible. It typically takes between 24 to 48 hours when submitting a credit request. Most of the time it happens pretty quickly. Okay, and then you go ahead and click submit. Alright, make sure that you've chosen your right offer and chosen the right date. Once you have this coding for the confirmation email, and then you have the other details, the original email, you'll be good to go. Click submit, and keep it moving. In the meantime, you can move on to the next step, either complete your email, set up your home office, or look through some of the other training materials to get familiar with the script. All right.